Let's keep going with making the cams, and we've made the round cam over here. Let's now make the eccentric cam. So it's somewhat similar. We have a circle, we have a hole for the axle, but the difference here is that we have an offset between the center of the circle and the axle. So we're going to have to deal with that. And for this one, I've kind of broken things out. Of course, we use nominal dia instead of D that we use up here. And then we have thick, and then we have the axle sides. So let's go ahead and give this one a shot. And we've already got a template for us with our configuration variables up here. So we'll just come along here and put a sketch on the front plane, and I'm going to make a circle at the centered at the origin. And again, in order to most efficiently use the configuration variable, I'm going to put an arbitrary number into the dimension box, hit backspace, and now I can hit N to pull up nominal dia. So there it is. And at this point, what I want to do is I want to make a center point rectangle, which is going to be the axle hole. I want to start at the origin, and I want to come down maintaining the vertical constraint and just place it here. Again, if I hit 4, backspace, A, I'm going to get axle side. And similar for this one, 5, backspace, axle side. And I've got my axle. You can see that it's still blue in some places. That's because I don't know exactly where it is. I just pulled it down to some arbitrary location. We now need to come and dimension from here to here. And that distance, if you go back to our document here, is going to be nominal dia over 4. So let's go back there and, whoops. Okay, it did take it. Okay. Nominal dia divided by 4, enter. Okay. Happens to be 5/8. And so now I think we've got a fully constrained sketch for the eccentric cam. And so I think we can accept that. And we'll back off a little bit and turn it. And we'll extrude symmetrically a distance THK right there, and accept that. Press P to get rid of the planes, F to fit it, and I think that's got it. So let's see if it works. So if I change the nominal diameter to 4, what's going to happen? Well, it's still an eccentric cam, and this distance here remained 1/4 of that value of 4. We could dump this into a drawing and determine that, or maybe we can do from here to, well, we need the center. So this should be a little less than 1, and it's 0.884. So I think it worked. So let's come back to 2.5. And again, just to one more time, we'll illustrate what these do. So 0.1, really skinny. And I can very easily change these some parameters on these cams, but they will still maintain their identity as a particular eccentric cam because we've designed it that way so that it doesn't change from an eccentric cam. And so that's what we want to do. Alright, so do we have everything renamed? I don't think we do. Let's rename this to eccentric. And our Part Studio is still there, so I think we're okay for now. Thanks for watching.